What up, peeps? Welcome to the Gabe Fix. Whether it's your first time or you've been here multiple times before, hey girl, hey. Thank you so much for taking the time to check me out. I would love it if you would hit the subscribe button and become part of the family, okay? So, as you guys see, I'm in a completely different setup today because it is time for me to do something about my ratchet pantry. Yes, it is legit ratchet. Like, I'm almost embarrassed to show y'all what it looks like. If you follow me on the vlog channel, then you've probably already seen it in passing, but it is just a hot mess express. So today I got the bright idea that, you know what, I need to clean out the pantry, and our grass is getting cut right now, so if you hear that, my bad. But the trash comes tomorrow, so I figured I would go ahead and get it done. And get it out of the way so that I can get all of that stuff out of here with the trash tomorrow. This is probably gonna be a two-part video, or like you may just see me cleaning out and decluttering the pantry because I really want to like organize it and make it all pretty, but I don't have any of those supplies yet because I figured the first step was for me to clean it out and see what I'm working with. So that's what we're going to be doing today. So let me show you what's behind this door. Y'all ready? Like, don't judge me, okay? Take all your judgments and throw them to the wayside, all right? Here it is. I know, y'all can't even see the bottom. I know, like, where are they doing that? They're not, I promise they're not. Yeah, so this is pretty much what I'm working with when it comes to my pantry. And as you can see, it's literally a hot mess express. And I just keep ordering groceries and ordering groceries. And I get a lot of duplicates because, I mean, who knows? Who knows what's behind all of this, right? So, yeah, I guess I'm ready to get started. My goal is to get this cleaned out within the next hour. Do y'all think I can do it? I sure hope so. Because that's all the time that I want to devote to it today. At least let me get it cleaned out today. So, yeah, I'm trying to think if I should start from the bottom or if I should start from the top. I honestly don't even know. I should probably start from the bottom so that I can actually get in there and do the shelves. So let's do this thing. Y'all have so much stuff down here at the bottom, it's ridiculous. So much protein powder. Base protein powder that he don't even use. So I actually have a floor now that I can step into. Look at that. I am in this bad boy now. I can move around freely. And all of this came out of the bottom. So I think before I keep going, I'm going to organize this into, like, you know, piles. Drinks, bags, paper towels, all of that good stuff. Protein bars. Let me just separate it. So much waste. Oh my goodness. Oh, I done broke the bag. The acoustics in here are nice too. So I literally like went through everything. I threw away everything that was expired, and let me tell you, if you don't get anything from this video, don't waste food like I wasted food. Literally, we have about 8 bags of trash of expired food that's been in this pantry, and that's ridiculous. So I'm gonna show you what I've got out here. I've laid everything out, kind of like put it together in, you know, categories, and I'm just gonna wipe down in here and put it all back. All of the trash. This is ridiculous. All the trash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 7 bags. Somebody please tell me what to do with this. She's so cute. I don't know what to do with her. You know what I think? So the people that owned the house before us had these nice little cover things. I don't know where they got them, but it is like the best thing ever. So the things don't fall through. They have them on all of this side, except the very bottom. I don't have any on this side, but I just love these things. They're so neat. There she is. 5 hours later, here I am in my pantry. Okay, disclaimer. I told y'all at the beginning that I didn't have things to make it pretty. So I basically just went through, put everything back where it was, kind of in the areas. And I want to come up with different areas for things because Reagan is now reaching for things, and I gotta think this through. So having like cans and hard things closer to the bottom is probably not the best idea, but I will figure all of that out. So what do you think? Are you proud of me? I'm proud of me. So thanks for hanging out while I decluttered and cleaned out my ratchet pantry. And I will probably keep you guys updated if I decide to make it pretty. Maybe I'll make a video about like organizing it and all of that good stuff. And then also, I'm kind of in the decluttering spirit. So what else would y'all like for me to declutter? Let your girl know down below. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can also leave those down below. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.